Hello! In this video, we'll take a look at the best kettles currently available on the market. We have spent 200 hours researching and evaluating the best 15 kettles using external tests and reviews. With the help of our TUV certified quality management system for testing and comparison procedures, we are able to present you the best kettles in these categories: the best glass kettle, the best stainless steel kettle, the best retro kettle, the best foldable kettle, and the best kettle with temperature setting. Accordingly, it is important for us to show the best option for each target group so that it perfectly fits your requirement profile. Let's get started! Our first category is about the best glass kettle, which for us is clearly the HG9339/80 from Philips. The kettle costs around €43, which puts it in the mid-range of our featured kettles in terms of price. It has a capacity of 1.7 liters and a power of 2200 watts. The container is made of crystal clear glass and has a blue light in the base of the container as a power indicator. A flat heating element ensures boiling hot water in seconds, and the microsieve filter captures tiny particles of limescale. In addition, this kettle has a multi-stage safety system with dry run protection. Our second category is all about the best stainless steel kettle. For us, this is clearly the Stelio kettle from WMF. You can buy it for about €40, which puts it in the middle of the pack in terms of price. It has a capacity of 1.7 liter and a power of 2400 watts. The kettle has a lime filter, which is also removable, making it easier to clean. A rubberized, non-slip handle ensures comfort and safety. The kettle container is made entirely of stainless steel, both inside and out. This kettle offers maximum safety with its dry run and overheat protection, automatic boil stop, and lid lock. And the heating process can be easily stopped at any time by removing the container from the base. The water level indicator glows blue. Now we come to the third category, the best retro kettle. For us, this is the TWK H612P wireless kettle from Bash. This kettle costs around €60 and is available in a variety of colors, in which case the item reference changes slightly. The model featured here has a nice retro look in turquoise. The capacity is 1.5 liter and the kettle has 2400 watts of power. There are 4 different temperatures to choose from and a keep warm function that keeps your water warm at the desired temperature for up to 30 minutes. The kettle has an automatic shut off, overheat, and dry boil protection, and a lift switch off, ensuring high safety. This kettle can also be operated with only one free hand without any problems, as the lid can be opened by pressing a button. We have already reached the fourth category, which is about the best foldable kettle for on the go. And for us, this is clearly the 862 Space Kettle from Macam. It's available for just under €34, making it the cheapest kettle we're introducing today. It's easy to use, turns off automatically, and is easy to clean. Ideal for tea, coffee, and even milk. With a capacity of 800 milliliters and a power of 900 watts, it is smaller and not as powerful as the other kettles we present, but for a trip or for your vacation, it is practical and handy. It has an ergonomic, handy handle and a drip-free spout. It's made of plastic, which not only makes it foldable, but also much lighter than kettles made of glass or stainless steel. And now we come to the last kettle we want to introduce to you today. In this category for the best kettle with temperature setting, the WK3479 tea and water kettle from Severin won us over. It costs just under €67, making it by far the most expensive kettle in our listing. It is made partly of glass and partly of stainless steel, which gives it a particularly classy look. The kettle has a capacity of 1.7 liter for water, 1.5 liter for tea, and a power of 3000 watts. It can be cleaned quickly and easily, as there is a large opening in the lid and the heating element is covered. This kettle is also equipped with an automatic 30-minute keep warm function, a base with LCD display, with degree-accurate temperature readout, and illuminated control buttons, and even a beep that can be turned on and off. The included stainless steel tea filter is removable, which means you can also just boil water. And that's it, our top 5 kettles. If you liked this video, we'd appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription. That way, you'll be sure not to miss any of our other videos. You can check out the products on Amazon using the links in the description. Most of them were heavily discounted at the time the video was made. If you want to save, it is worth it to check quickly and see the current prices. We are already looking forward to welcoming you back in the next video.